watching a few videos, and when you look on the side thing, or is it on this side? I'm not coordinated. You'll see people putting in the tags like "I don't care," and it's kind of funny because I don't think a lot of people understand what the tags are for. That's really to help other people find your videos. Really, I mean, if you put, some people will put their own names. You know, I'll put Pixel Fairy sometimes in the tag, and you put whatever it's about, and then people who type in Pixel Fairy or burping contest or whatever it is, they'll actually find your videos that way. So when you don't put anything in there that's relevant to your video, it makes it harder for people to find you. So instead of saying tags are stupid and doing it like that, you might as well use them to your advantage. That's how you get more viewers.